All right, A+ certification. Should you get it? If you're a tech, if you're starting off, if you want to get a job in the workplace, do you need an A+ certification? So I want to talk about that a little bit. I interview a lot of techs who are looking to either do hardware repair, go on-site, do remote, whatever. And so a lot of techs feel A+ hardware, that's the first step. That's the first entry way into getting certification. And so behind me, this is pretty much an A+ certifications by CompTIA. This is what they go through. You open up a desktop, you go through, this is a CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, power supply is not here. You'd also replace a power supply. You go through the motherboard, RAM, and you essentially take it out, put it back in. I'm minimalizing this, but essentially you want to know where all the parts are. So A+ certification came out decades ago. And you know what? I still believe in it. I think it's great. If you're looking to, essentially get a feel for the computer, A+ certification is solid. It's good. But it's not the end-all be-all. So if you're coming into an interview, you have A+ and you have no experience, I'm not going to be happy with that. But obviously there is a catch-22. You have to start somewhere, and somebody has to give you that leap of faith. Then you have to look at personality as a, interviewer. That's sort of what I look at, in terms of if this person should have a job or not with me. Is there potential there? However, if you have A+ certification, if you have experience beyond that, that's great. That's showing to me that you're looking to start your journey, your career, having experience with training, and that's good. So there's nothing wrong with it. I'm happy with it. But just know there's more to being a repair person than having, A+ certification. Even if you don't have experience, what I recommend is take the A+ or not take the A+ and open up computers yourself. Show that you can actually replace a hard drive, upgrade to an SSD, put Windows operating system. If it's a Mac, work with the Mac OS. Show that you could do time machine. Show you could transfer to or migrate to a new computer. Things like that. Open up the MacBook. Show that you can do a spill clean, whatever it might be. But show those tangible, actual experiences that you can work with repairs. Whether it's a PC, whether it's a Mac, whether it's external drive, recovery, iPhones, you name it. So A+ is solid. However, it's not comprehensive in the sense where once you do it, you've got everything, and it is an older type of certification and degree. However, that question does come up a lot. A+, should I get it? Because why? It's still the only intro/generalized hardware tech certification you could find out there that's still existent, which is good, which to that point is a good thing, knowing that it's been here long enough that that it still has those core foundations and skills and principles that you would need. So definitely do A+ if you're intro tech, but just know experience and actually doing the work is also necessary. Okay, thank you very much, and speak to you guys soon. Bye.
Thank you.